Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're breaking down exactly why AI isn't just some far-off sci-fi future technology anymore. It is a reality, and it's something we need to get a handle on right now. It's already completely reshaping how businesses run, how jobs work, and how we create things online. So if you've been kind of sitting on the sidelines feeling like maybe you've already missed the boat, I've got some fantastic news for you. Today we're going to map out the exact path you need to get way ahead of the curve. Here is what's really wild as we look ahead to 2026. Companies aren't just hunting for these top-tier, incredibly advanced AI experts. What they're actually desperate for are beginners, everyday people who simply understand how to use AI tools effectively. That is literally the biggest opportunity on the table right now. If you learn AI early, you're going to have a massive, massive advantage over everyone else who just decides to ignore it. And let's just go ahead and bust a massive myth right off the bat. You absolutely do not need to be some sort of math genius or a hardcore coder to start making moves in this space. Actually, scratch that old way of thinking entirely. The reality today is that high-income AI skills are perfectly designed for students, regular freelancers, content creators, and just your standard working professionals. So here is our roadmap for getting you ready for 2026. We're going to cover 5 key areas: prompt engineering, AI content creation, AI automation, data literacy, and finally, agentic AI. Let's jump right in. Okay, skill number 1, prompt engineering. Think of this as the absolute new Google search skill. Look, most average users just type a random, super vague question into a chatbot and, well, they get a pretty generic, average answer back. But skilled users, they know the secret sauce. They provide detailed instructions, give rich background context, ask for specific formatting, and state clear goals. When you learn to communicate like that, you start getting brilliant business ideas, razor-sharp code, and incredibly high-quality content. It's like night and day. And here is where it gets really exciting for your wallet. Mastering prompt engineering builds into real-world value so fast. We're talking about writing AI-generated content, launching targeted marketing campaigns, building custom chatbots, or even generating ads and thumbnails. And the absolute best part? You can start learning this high-income skill today using platforms that are completely free. Moving right along to number 2, AI content creation, or as I like to call it, becoming a one-person production team. It's actually kind of mind-blowing. Right now, one single person, armed with just a laptop and a good grasp of AI-assisted storytelling, can literally do the work of an entire creative agency. This is exactly why we're seeing AI content creators blowing up online right now. People are running entirely faceless channels and pulling in serious revenue just by mixing AI-generated visuals with automated voiceovers and editing. Just think about the sheer volume of assets you can pump out when you have an AI toolkit. YouTube scripts, voiceovers, slick thumbnails, blog posts, short-form videos, you can produce it all, faster and way cheaper than ever before. By 2026, brands are going to be aggressively hiring people who know how to wield these tools. If you can pair these creation tools with a solid understanding of audience psychology, you are going to be unstoppable. All right, scale number 3 is a huge one. AI automation. Basically, this is all about teaching machines to do the boring tasks. It's really just a smart division of labor. Automation shifts all those mind-numbing repetitive tasks over to the machines. Stuff like replying to endless emails, generating weekly reports, scheduling meetings, and fielding basic support tickets. That frees us up to keep our human focus strictly on the high-level stuff: creativity, strategic decision-making, and understanding human psychology. And because pretty much every small business out there is desperately searching for these time-saving workflows, the window of opportunity here for beginners is just wide open. You could jump in as a freelancer, start an AI automation agency, or just go help local mom-and-pop shops modernize their systems. The ability to wipe out busy work using AI is going to be incredibly lucrative. Up next, number 4, data literacy. Make no mistake, this is the actual fuel running the entire AI engine. So, what does data literacy actually mean for you? It's simply the ability to look at charts, read basic data sets, spot hidden trends, and make smart decisions using AI analytics tools. If you can just take a basic dashboard and use AI to translate what those numbers actually mean for a business, you hold a massive competitive advantage. Think about industries like healthcare, finance, marketing, or even sports analytics. They are literally drowning in data right now. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose.
They have way more information than they can handle, and they are begging for people who can use AI to make sense of it all. Become the person who can translate that data into action, and you become instantly employable. And finally, we arrive at the big one, number 5, agentic AI. This is the future of autonomous tool integration. Let's break down what this actually is. Instead of you sitting at your keyboard typing one prompt, waiting, and then typing another prompt, agentic AI is about building autonomous systems. The future belongs to people who can set up AI agents that research, write, and interact with other apps entirely on their own, with barely any human effort required once they're running.
Imagine having this kind of ultimate leverage. You build a pipeline where your first AI agent goes out and researches a topic. It automatically hands those notes to a second tool that writes the script. Then a third tool generates the visuals, and a fourth one perfectly edits the video. That entire system works seamlessly together while you just sit back and act as the director. It is a total game changer. So as we look out at the landscape of 2026, here is the ultimate question you have to ask yourself. Are you going to sit by and risk being replaced by AI, or are you going to learn these 5 foundational skills and become the one directing it? The future completely belongs to those who step up today. So dive in, start playing around with these free tools, and take control of your path. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.